Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the stochastic histogram indicator for MT4 and MT5. This visual variation of the classic stochastic oscillator displays K and D values as histogram bars instead of lines, making momentum shifts and overbought oversold conditions easier to interpret at a glance. In this video, you will see how the histogram format works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading applications are described. The stochastic histogram indicator is a visual adaptation of the classic stochastic oscillator that displays the relationship between the K line and D line as histogram bars in a separate window. The standard stochastic oscillator consists of a fast K line and a slow D line that oscillate between 0 and 100, with readings above 80 indicating overbought conditions and readings below 20 showing oversold levels. By converting these lines into a histogram format, the indicator makes it easier to spot momentum shifts, divergences, and crossovers between K and D at a glance without tracking two separate lines. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Just allow DLL imports, and just like that, you have it installed on a separate window. On the chart, the stochastic histogram displays vertical bars that represent the difference between the K and D lines or their individual values, typically using color coding to distinguish bullish and bearish conditions. Bars extending upward or colored green indicate bullish momentum when the K line is above the D line and rising, while bars extending downward or colored red show bearish momentum when K is below D. The histogram format makes divergence patterns more visible, where price makes new highs or lows, but the histogram bars fail to confirm by making lower highs and higher lows, respectively. As for the settings, let's take a look. Tab inputs. Key settings include the Stoch period with typical values of 5 or 14, the D period, usually set at 3, and slowing, which controls smoothing and is commonly set at 3 for standard stochastic behavior. Traders can adjust the overbought and oversold levels with default values at 80 and 20, but some preferring 70 and 30 for more frequent signals or tightening them based on asset volatility. The histogram format works across all time frames, from the 1 minute for scalping to H4 and higher for swing trading, with periods H4 and above generally providing the most reliable signals due to reduced market noise. As for OS4, the stochastic histogram indicator is suitable for traders who want a more visual representation with stochastic momentum that highlights crossovers, divergences, and extreme zones more clearly than traditional line formats. Common strategies include entering trades when the histogram crosses from oversold below 20 back above, signaling a shift from bearish to bullish momentum, or using it to time entries within a bigger trend by waiting for corrections that show oversold on intraday charts. However, stochastic oscillators can remain overbought or oversold for extended periods during strong trends, and the histogram should be used with additional confirmation, such as moving averages, support and resistance, or trend analysis rather than in isolation. You can download the Stochastic Histogram Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview highlights how the histogram formats can make stochastic momentum analysis more visual and improve recognition of divergence patterns and crossover signals. If you like histogram oscillators for momentum analysis, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.